Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to move your Solana from Phantom Wallet to Gemini securely and efficiently. Today, I'm walking you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this with confidence and avoid any common pitfalls. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both your Phantom Wallet and Gemini accounts set up and verified. Phantom is a popular wallet for Solana, and Gemini is a trusted exchange for managing your assets. Open your Phantom Wallet app or extension on your browser. You'll see your dashboard with your Solana balance. Double-check that you have enough SOL to cover the transfer fees, as network congestion can vary in 2025. Next, head over to your Gemini account. Log in, go to the deposit section, and select Solana as the cryptocurrency you want to receive. This will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy this address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. I can't stress this enough. Always verify the address to prevent sending your funds to the wrong place, which could mean losing them forever. Now, back in Phantom Wallet, click on the Send button. Paste the Gemini wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer, making sure to leave a little extra for gas fees if needed. Review the transaction details one last time. Check the amount, the address, and the fees. Once you're satisfied, hit Confirm and approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a password or biometric verification. After that, sit tight. Solana transactions are usually fast, but in 2025, with potential network upgrades, it might take a minute or two. Keep an eye on your Phantom Wallet for confirmation. Once it's done, hop back to Gemini and refresh your account. You should see your Solana deposited there. A few quick tips. Always use official apps and websites to avoid scams. Enable two-factor authentication on both platforms, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.